How to duplicate a file in Figma. Duplicating files is super helpful for version control and experimentation. So let's dive right in. Alright, here we are in Figma. Let's walk through the steps to duplicate a file. It's just a matter of a few seconds and you'll be able to duplicate the file. So first thing first, make sure you're on the right file that you want to duplicate to. And let's go to the right top corner. You can see the file right now. It says My Awesome Design. Simply tap into this arrow and it will lead you to a drop down menu. All you have to do is go to the duplicate option, and yeah, in order to duplicate, simply tap it there and it's a duplicating a file, and it will lead you to a different copy of the same file. That means the file has been duplicated. It's just a copy. And if you want to just rename it, you can rename the duplicated file to something more specific. Simply tap into the file name itself, and we can make it editable. So let's say I just want to name it more like a draft, and enter, and it has been renamed. The duplicated file has been renamed. So this is it. You now know how to duplicate a file in Figma. This is a great way to keep your work organized and experiment with different versions of your design, like the same design. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics, as the text over here says. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.